Dear friends, welcome to another exciting video. Today in this video, we'll see how to make an Advent wreath. If you're watching our video for the first time, kindly subscribe our channel for more Catholic contents like this. Before we begin the Advent wreath preparation, I would like to tell you all the meaning and purpose of this Advent wreath shortly. I have also uploaded a detailed version of this Advent wreath, the symbolism. I'll give the link in the description box. Kindly do check out. So, the evergreen wreath symbolizes the everlasting life that we have in Jesus, and it also symbolizes the eternity of God, that God has no beginning and end. On the first Sunday of Advent, we light the first purple color candle, which symbolizes hope, and it is also called the prophecy candle. On second Sunday of Advent, we light the second candle, which symbolizes love, which is also called as the Bethlehem candle. And on the third Sunday of Advent, that is Gaudete Sunday, we light the candle of joy. And finally, on fourth Sunday of Advent, we light the purple color candle, which symbolizes peace. And at the end, on the solemnity of the Nativity of our Lord, that is Christmas, we light the white color candle, which symbolizes Christ Himself. So dear friends, now let us begin to make the Advent wreath. First, as we all know, we need an evergreen wreath, and then 5 candles, 3 purple color candle, 1 rose candle, and then 1 white candle, which will be lit on Christmas Day. And then you can have the stickers which has on it the meaning of the candle, like hope, love, joy, peace, and Christ, for the Christ candle, which will be lit on Christmas Day. And then I have these candle holders which will hold the candle when we keep it on the wreath, and then some decorations. So now let's arrange it now. First, take the Advent wreath and check everything is perfect. And then take the candle holders and keep it in the 4 corners of the wreath on which all the candles will be kept. And check it is perfectly fitting so that the candle will not fall. And after keeping the candle holders, you can start to keep the candles. The first candle, which symbolizes hope, and then now the second candle, which symbolizes love, then the rose colored candle, which will be lit on the third Sunday of Advent, that is Domenica Gaudete, the Gaudete Sunday, and then the fourth purple color candle, which symbolizes peace. And now finally, we keep the Christ candle, which will be lit on the Christmas Day, in the center of the wreath, because Christ is the center of our life. And then add some decorations like this ribbon and ball. This red colored symbolization of this decoration tells us, showcases to us the suffering of Christ, the blood that Christ shed for us, and this gold color decoration symbolizes His triumph over the death. Now let's see the final look of our Advent wreath. Look how beautiful it is, dear friends. This Advent wreath is really a very good practice for this beautiful season of Advent, where we prepare ourselves for Christmas and the second coming of Christ, which will help us to get prepared for Christmas and the coming of the Lord spiritually, because it has readings and prayers before we light the candle. So this is the final look, dear friends. Kindly comment down below your thoughts. With this, dear friends, we have come to the end of this video. Kindly subscribe our channel for more Catholic contents like this. Thank you for watching. God bless. Hope you'll also make an Advent wreath for your home.